Welcome to CognitionChunks. This information is for entertainment only. I am not trained in physics. Is this useful? Is this nonsense? Join me as I attempt to learn from GPT. Episode 22, How to Conceptualize Change in a Universe Without Time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the wildest concepts in science and philosophy. Today we're diving into a brain-bending idea. How can we conceptualize change in a universe without time? That's right, we're going to unravel how things might change when the whole concept of time is taken out of the equation. Strap in. This is going to be a thought-provoking ride. What does a universe without time even mean? Let's start by painting a picture of what a universe without time looks like. Imagine a film where instead of scenes flowing one after another, every single frame exists simultaneously. There's no before, no after, just an eternal now, where everything is static, yet also complete. In this universe, time as we know it, seconds, minutes, hours, doesn't exist. Everything that has ever happened or will happen is laid out in a vast, unchanging landscape. Change without time, a new perspective. So how do we talk about change in this static, timeless setting? It sounds impossible, right? Well, not exactly. In a universe without time, change can be seen as the relationship between different states of existence. Think of it as a book. While the story seems to flow as you read page by page, all the pages exist simultaneously. Change is not something that happens, but something that is, depending on how you look at the book. To visualize this, consider a three-dimensional sculpture. Each angle offers a different view, but the sculpture itself doesn't move or evolve, it just is. In a timeless universe, change can be conceptualized as spatial or configurational differences. For example, the transition from a caterpillar to a butterfly could be seen as two distinct states existing in different parts of this three-dimensional space. The change is not in time, but in how these states relate to each other spatially. This leads us to some deep philosophical waters. If change is just about viewing different parts of a static universe, could it be that what we perceive as change is actually an illusion? Maybe what we think of as the past and the future are just different sections of a vast, timeless universe that we experience sequentially because of how our brains are wired. Bringing this back down to science, the concept of a timeless universe isn't just philosophical. It has real implications in areas like quantum mechanics and Einstein's theory of relativity. Both fields suggest scenarios where traditional notions of time break down or behave in non-intuitive ways. This timeless perspective can help physicists solve complex problems where time becomes a problematic variable. So, there you have it. Conceptualizing change in a universe without time challenges our most fundamental assumptions about reality. It's not just about science fiction, it's about expanding our understanding of the universe at the deepest levels. If you enjoyed this journey into a timeless universe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more mind-bending content. Have thoughts, questions, or a topic you want us to cover next? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and diving into these discussions. Thanks for watching, keep those brains buzzing, and remember, in the world of science, the only constant is change, even if it's timeless. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for joining us for another Cognition Chunks.